Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, this was a long-term activity record which indicated that sellers were coming in with the overall direction of towards lower side, and the volume was on a higher side, and value area placement was also towards a higher side. It was a gap up opening. So, in such a kind of scenario, trend is unclear. So there was a spike formation towards the last three grid that in the last video I have mentioned, and we need to watch for that spike, how it is being respected or it is being taken out. That is the trading condition for the next day. So here you can see market opened inside the spike, and it was not broken, and it came down. So that itself, it was showing giving an indication of a bearishness, and it was opening towards the outside the previous day value area towards the lower side. So it was going to form a normal variation kind of a day. As the IB you can see, it is 103. So overall trend was indicating that it is will be a sellers will be dominating. So that was a view for my trade. And whenever market open outside the range, we need to expect for a trend day. So here, last video, as I told, we need to see for the spike formation. So the spike was taken out initially, and clearly it was going to trade below that spike area. So my view was to look for a sell side option. So this was a area. Here you can see. The volume, it was really high. The 73,000 something was there in the initial. So that itself, it was giving a clear indication that sellers are coming in. And here in this candle, there was a buy formation was there. So we marked that as a the buyer area, and we checked how buyers are behaving, whether they are able to take the market higher side or the sellers can dominate. So you can see in the consecutive candle, it came down, and a retrace to that area came, and suddenly it fell down. So, and you can see all the levels, it is clearly respected. This was a prominent POC. Here there was a POC, and towards the lower side, I just gave the, since I cannot show it in a single slide, I've shown it on bottom side. Here you can see exactly that POC, it has reversed and it came up. So we can get many targets. One first means our entry was somewhat this area. So first target, second target, third target, like that we can trail and go. So that was the condition. So this was a trade which I took. I entered two trade. So as you know, I will be trading the Bollinger Band theory. So here I took a trade at around this mid level when candle broke towards the red, and green candle was formed. So that was coinciding with the area which I showed in the previous slide. So you can see the timing at around 9:43 and at around 10:05. So initially I ended here. I one lot at around 1,000 rupees was in the profit, and it came down, and again it took a support at that level and it went up. So again I ended over here. So my stop loss was below this area. So our target was the Bollinger Band high. So that was a good trade. And even a better trade was coming over here at around 12:30. That could have been a huge ride. Even if we had carried that trade till the end, we could have got around 135 points. That means around 10,000 rupees for a single lot. So if we consider a 10 lot trading, you can get a profit of around 1 lakh. So that is a power of trading when we are right about the direction, and when we are clear about the entry, and when we are clear about the stop loss. So even if we get at least a three trade like this in a month, you think how much amount we can make. So even if we lose around 10 trades with a stop loss around 10 points, we'll be losing only around 70,000. So with this 70,000 in the sense, if we are trading with 10 lots, so one trade will be losing 750 rupees. So like that, in 10 lots, it will be 7,000 rupees. And if we lose for 10 days, it will be 70,000. So if we get like this, 10,000 means 1 lakh into 3 lakhs, minus that 70,000 means 2 lakh 30,000. So that is the power of making money when we are right about the market and right about the market direction. And our entry should be perfect as well as the stop loss. So think about in such a way and do a disciplined trading. You will be feeling boring because always I show the similar slides, similar way. But when we are bored only, we'll be able to make money. If it is exciting, we won't be able to make money or decode the market. So have the patience, do it regularly, and I think we all can succeed if we go in a disciplined way. That is what it has been showing in the now continuously in many of our trades. So these things you are familiar. It was a normal day, so normal variation day will be the kind of formation. So that's it from my side. Thank you.